Hey, Jim Parr here, and we're going to talk to you about maximizing and automating your Instagram to maximize the sales on your Shopify store. So before you forget, hit that subscribe button below, pound on that notification. We've got videos every single week, if not every day, coming out. And we do a lot of Shopify videos, but we do videos to maximize your growth and have an incredible academy. So let's hit the reel. So here we are in a Instagram page, and the reason I want to really show you this is because there's simple tricks that you can do to increase and really maximize your potential in your Instagram and really drive those sales to your shopping pages. So we're looking at this. This is my Bling Life, and they've got 3 followers. So it's a brand new location, brand new store. But you know, we can see in here that there's not a lot for their profile. So step 1 that we're going to go through is making sure your Instagram profile looks good, because when people come here, we want to direct that traffic to those particular buyers and have some posts that are relevant to the store. So first we're going to do is edit the profile. You can do this in your desktop, or you can do it on your phone. You know, most people do it on their phone. I'm on my desktop today. So we're going to go through a few things. We've got a few steps that are going to grow your Instagram and grow your Shopify sales exponentially. So let's click into your profile here, and we're going to edit the profile. That's the first thing that we want to do. Now, one thing that you've got to remember is you want to put in your particular website. So we're going to take out the www. It's just not necessary anymore. And we're just going to put in their website. So this is ablinglife.com. That's their Shopify store. Username, they've got Bling Life. They've got my Bling Life. And if we go in here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit the bio. That's going to be the most important thing. So I'll leave this formula in below the video so you can copy and paste it, but we'll just drop it in here, and I'm going to show you the way it's going to look in this profile. So we want it to look strong, and you know, we put a diamond here for everything Bling Life. We could have done hashtag Bling Life, 100% quality, USA based, free worldwide shipping. These are the key things. These make people feel comfortable. And of course, shop here, and this URL is going to be under here. Now, again, 150 characters in the bio, and you cannot do any more than that. It will not let you save it. To get those emojis, just go to getomoji.com. Again, I'll have that link below. And you can just select and search for any objects, anything that you need. You just basically grab it, you know, highlight it, do a Control-C, a Control-V to paste it in there, and or just copy it and move it over. So we're in our profile. We're going to go ahead and actually submit this and save it. So we'll go ahead and save it, and then we're going to review the profile and see what it looks like. So it does say invalid URL. So that's popping up below. And so maybe it does like the www. Let's try that out and submit it. And it says enter a valid website. So let's go in and figure out what's going on here. Sometimes it will act up like this, and so we just have to figure out, and there was an extra space here. How crazy is that? So we just had to get rid of that space, and I'm going to try taking the www because I just don't like it. And it says the profile is saved now. So now if we go to this profile It didn't have anything there before. Now it looks good. It'll link right to the Shopify. Now it's really, really strong. It's got a little package for the shipping, a little lock for secure checkout. We say USA based. We could change this image here and put something else in, but it looks good. I think I like that. And of course, we're going to do some other things. But the other thing that we do is we do some automation. And, you know, I don't do a lot of automation, but there is some software that you can use out there that is going to help you quite a bit. And so once you download and install, we have the link below that you can get access to this at a discounted rate. We do use this quite a bit. The reviews that I've seen on it aren't very good, but we definitely use it for some of our clients, and we've seen exponential growth in their profiles very rapidly. And you can target individuals that like hashtags, users that are specific that you want to go after. So I would recommend that you go in here, set it up. You know, you can go in and actually set up your actual profile, and I'm going to show you that in just a second here. So let me open that window. So this is the back end of Follow Adder, and if we look at this, we can see that we've got our users and follows, but if I click on follows, I can select, you know, set this amount to whatever I want, 2 to 5 minutes. 450 follows per day, and this is a fairly new account, and we can see the growth in this. And as you can see, that it's just going up and up, and this was over the last 30 days here, and so it's gone from 36 to over 4,000 followers. But it'll go through, you know, we can select basically hashtags, and I'll have a video for this if you want that video, but we can go in and select users or hashtags. If we manually go in and select users, we can select a user ID of somebody that we want to follow and actually scrape those followers and then add those in and go and try to follow them. And we set it up for auto likes. So we can auto like and we can auto comment. And it's just, you want to use it not in a spammy way. You want to use it with the guide and the video that we show so that you're not overdoing it and that you don't get banned from Instagram. That's the key here. So that's step number 2, is to get some automation going. And then some of the other tricks that I'm going to show you is make sure in your Instagram, if you do have some products in your Instagram store, you can use a software called Grambler, and you can save those images to your desktop, or you can grab them out of your store, save them to your phone, and then upload them into your Instagram page, because you want to have some availability, be able to show people of what you're doing. And one of the key things that a lot of people don't realize, instead of putting your comments in the section up here in where the quote is or where your description is, actually put your hashtags in the comment below. It keeps it cleaner. I think it actually boosts the sales a little bit and boosts the searches. But those are the key things to really get things rolling and make it move ahead very quickly. And one last trick I want to show you that you could actually do from your phone very easily. You know, this is Bling Life, so there's 25,000 posts, hashtag Bling Life. And if we go in here, it's going to list, as soon as you go in there, it's going to have the most recent posts that were posted when you go on in your phone for Bling Life or whatever hashtag you're looking at. And the highest thing that I can recommend, or the biggest recommendation that I can recommend, is that you go in and you comment and like some of the different things to really drive people to your page, because that's how you get other people driven to your page. Don't spam them with other things in any URLs. You can't do that in Instagram by any means, but you just want to engage. Engagement is everything. If you just did that 10 times a day, that's going to increase the followers that you go into. So maybe I just go in here and click a few hearts on there and actually like their posts, because they're going to get a notification whether you reply. What glue are you using? You could go in here and say, yeah, E6000. And so you could actually go in there, reply, and of course it's going to send them a notification. So the more you engage, the better. With the automation of Follow Adder, that's going to help tremendously. And then one other thing for posting, there's a few different things out there. Jarvee is one of them for doing just scheduling your posts out and doing it on a regular basis. This is what a lot of professionals use to automate the posting of it, not likes or growth. But obviously, the more posts that you put in and the more you schedule it out, you're going to get more followers. The other one that we have and recommend is called planthat.com. And I'll have the URLs in here. This is another great one for just kind of moving things around. I look at it like the Tetris of posting, because you can move your photos around, drag them up and down, and where you want to place them. You can set up hashtag sets and different things like that. And so this is a really good one. It's obviously priced inexpensive. Pricing on this, I think it's like $7 a month for a power user, which is one account, one person, which is really good. And they even have a free account that you can set up, but it limits 30 posts per month, which, that's great. So set up a free account and just go there and do that. So there's a lot of options out there. But if you start implementing these processes and, again, going through, making sure that your profile looks strong like this here and has your URL, and then you go in and set up your automation with Follow Adder, and then get something to ease your process, because it's all about time. If you can schedule out all your posts in one day for the next 30 days, why not do that instead of using every single day to post something? The other thing that a lot of people aren't aware of is Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the most powerful things that you can use in your Shopify store to really start driving traffic there and driving people to engage. And there's so much things on Pinterest, and we'll do a video on Pinterest and how you can use it for your Shopify store to increase your sales. But I hope this video helps. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification, and leave a comment below of what kind of Shopify store you have, or any questions or comments, and even put your URL to your store so we can help drive traffic to your store. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.